This is my quest path. Along the path, there are 15 steps that I need to go through in this world before I reach the flag. In order to get to the flag, I need to do certain reading activities, such as record or listen to books in order to make progress. And when I complete this world, I'll move on to a new world. To begin with, I'll click Go. And I see a book suggestion. This is based on my current reading ability and book preferences, the things I'm interested in. I can read a quick summary about the book or change the book if I like. I can record the book, which means I'm reading it out loud. As I record, for me, I'm engaging in the reading experience. I'm being kept accountable for reading the words on the page. And in the background, our voice AI is assessing the user's fluency and using this information to adapt to their needs and change book suggestions as needed. So I read this here now. Have you ever noticed the wind blowing leaves on a breezy day? Sometimes wind can get very strong and form a storm called a hurricane. I have the option to play it back to myself, delete the page and re-record, or move on to the next page. In my settings, I can also adjust the playback speed for listen mode. I can change the font settings here based on my needs, which is especially helpful if you are a child with a reading difficulty or kind of visual processing issue. I can also change the size of the font. And this setting will stay the same for all the books that I read. Now back on my Quest page, I can go to listen mode, and here I could listen to the
Hurricanes
words.
are big, powerful storms.
It plays back automatically for the whole book, so I can continue to get immersed into the stories even if I'm not confident in my own fluency yet. This sort of support is a scaffold for developing readers. I can also click on individual words to listen to them.
Hurricane.
The other thing on my quest path that keeps me motivated and engaged in the reading experience is the book race. On the book race, I see where I compete against other players who are also reading on QuestRead. So every week, this book race will update with new stats, and I can see my placement against other players here. As you can see right now, my name is Janess, and I'm in first place. So this progression through my quest keeps me engaged and motivated, and our goal is for children to be reading on QuestRead for 15 minutes a day. And we believe that this kind of motivation will be helpful for them in achieving their goals.